Alright, we're gonna make Mentos fall into this huge 2-liter can of soda. It's gonna explode, should go pretty high, so this first time we're gonna see what happens.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh yeah!
That was awesome.
So that was pretty cool.
Let's do it one more time.
Alright, we're gonna do it again.
I'll get a close up this time. Excuse us.
Remember, kids, don't try this at home.
Excuse us while we put more Mentos in. Don't put them in yet.
That's pretty cool.
Dude, put the thing in. Put the safety
right.
thing in.
That was close. You can get these at Hobbytown or a lot of places. They're like $5. They're not very expensive. And you don't have to get like a whole new tube. You just have to get new Mentos and a new soda. That's pretty cool. Load 7 Mentos into the cylinder. 1, 2, or more if you want it to get bigger, probably. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so that's the last of them. Alright. Let's see if it works again. It might not. Might not have enough. Alright, let's do this.
I'll count down.
Alright. 3,
2,
1.
1. It
Failed. Didn't work.
nope.
Alright, notice you can only use 1 soda, and it uses about half of it, so, yep, that's it.
That's
all.
it.
All right.
Woo! It was awesome the first time.
Yeah. Did you stop it?